dimensional space, because that is what we're doing here. The whole reason for drawing a one-point perspective is to give the illusion of 3 dimensions, which is height, width, and depth, on a 2-dimensional space. So now we have our first sets of buildings, and I started here because these are the ones you're going to see the most of. Any of them that you add out here are going to be overshadowed a little bit by this. And so you start with the ones that you're going to see the most of, and then you can keep adding buildings from there. So let me give you an example. Over here, I'm going to do a round building. Make sure I'm not going to overlap it. And the next thing you're going to do is line those edges up. And you want to stop about where you stop here. So use those previously drawn buildings as your guideline, and then you're going to round the edges. That's going to be a smaller circle because it's a smaller space. Alright, and that is the beginning of your cityscape.